This is what Chela would like if she had my hair.
Pendeja, no diga su nombre. Don't.
You're not gonna put this on YouTube.
Fine.
I look pretty having this kind of hair color.
Yeah, you would. Anyways, this is Geraldine, and this is, what's your name?
Chelo, Chuli.
Chulies. Chulies. We're gonna make a twerk video, so Yera start twerking. Okay, you and Chulies, go. Let's see who twerks better. Ready?
I don't have no ass.
Let's see who twerks better. Go, Chelo. Chelo, you first.
Big dick.
They don't know how to twerk. Go do it.
You took
If you do it, I'll do it.
No, I'll record
I
you
already
guys.
did it. Okay, Chulies gonna
I'll record
twerk.
both of you guys twerking.
But you go first.
Okay, but you're not fucking putting this on YouTube.
I know I'm not, dude.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. I swear.
You better not.
Bitch, don't pretend you're gonna hit me, cause you know you won't.
I know.
Hurry up! Twerk.
Okay.
Twerk. Twerk. I took twerk.
¿Le llevo atrás? ¿No, Carlos?
Do my
¿Qué
bands
traes?
on your big boy, you know you love that shit.
Okay, so this is how you twerk. I'm gonna do it over here so nobody can see. Where is it goes outside?
I'm just kidding.
Just start twerking.
Yeah, you want to see her? I mean, Chuli. Chuli, show us your butt. Take a picture of your butthole. Yeah, I did. Yeah, you're I wonder how she did it.
Go. Like a big dick. And then you take a shit.